Namaskar, I am Santram Yadav. I am from Musafir Khana. First of all, I thank you, my mentor, respected Deepak sir. He gave me opportunity to speak here. My topic is modern history. I focus on the modern history of India. In modern history, how can the Britisher come to our country? When that time the kingdom of Emperor Jahangir, many companies come to the India. They want to business in India. Britisher and Francis and Portuguese come to here. They want to more profit in India. They have many competition. They want to more profit to India. They come. It is the time of 1599 and 16. That time they take Farman the emperors and they want to profit here. They take to business here in India. They take some things and they go to the Europe and sell them. They take more profit in that. They have many competition in these companies. They sink their ships. That time, who comes to India? The route was only for sea. They come to India by sea routes. They see the condition of India. Our prince and kings, they are fighting to each other. They saw the position of India. They interfere in our political views. They enter political policies and they defeat. They support one king and defeat others. In this way, they spread their kingdoms in India. First of all, they comes to the Calicut. After that, they round the sea in Madras and Kolkata. That time, no routes of the plain area. They comes the Red Sea and Caspian Sea routes were not developed that time. They come to the sea. There's boys. There's ships are very strong. The Indians ships are not strong. There are no powerful Hindus king that time to defeat or see about this. Some kings are opposed the Britisher like Bengal Sirajud-Dowla 1757. He was Nawab, not king. He was Nawab, but he fight too. But his minister did not support him and he do not fight in the battlefield and he was defeated. After that, many Nawabs comes and they are lazy or they are not do anything and India became the slavery. India goes to the slavery. After that, the revolt of 1857. Hundreds years is become this the Britisher and other companies exploitation the India, exploitation do the India and they want to more and more profit. How can take the profit to the India? After that, it was the revolt come in. Indians, they are angry. They know everything about. They do not believe in the Britishers. These policies are not good. They cheat the Indian. They understand that the reason of that to revolt. First of all, political reason. It is the political reason that defeat. It is the political reason which gives the revolt in India. After that, the main reason was economical reason. They want to more profit. They exploit our peasants, our artisans, our craftsmen, all the zamindar or the tarikedar. They want to more revenue, more tax to the Indians. So they take the raw materials from the India and give to the British, and after that it prepare the things come to India, and it has no tax, no export and import tax for Britishers, but Indians have heavy tax for Indian companies are finished. They want to finish the Indian companies and they want to develop your empires. So that's the revolt come, but it was not success. The revolt was not success, but many places it was success. It comes in the Delhi, the emperor that time, Bahadur Shah Jafar, it start in Meerut and it's spread in whole North India. In Rajputana and other places.